Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how to make hard-boiled eggs the easier way, the right way, or I should say the proper way. First and easiest way to make hard-boiled eggs is just to use a cooker. If you don't have one, that's okay. Today I'm going to share with you how to make hard-boiled eggs using a saucepan or a pot. For that, we're going to need a steamer basket that fits perfectly into the pot and the lid to close tightly. Fill a pot 1 inch deep with water. Bring to a rolling boil over high heat. Next, we'll need some eggs. Any brand will do just fine. Once the water comes to a boil, place a steamer basket into the pot and carefully add the eggs. Cover a pot with lid, reduce heat to medium-low, and steam eggs for exactly 13 minutes. Next, we'll need a container filled with ice and cold water. Once the eggs are cooked, transfer cooked eggs to an ice bath to give them a shock and let eggs cool for about 10 minutes. Once the eggs are chilled, pour off half of the water and cover the container with a lid. Now the fun begins. We're going to give a good 20 vertical motion shakes or until the shells are cracked all over. Peel the eggs, rinse under cold water, and enjoy. This is the best and most easy peeling method you'll ever find. Today, you'll learn how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs the right way, the proper way, and of course, the best way. Since Easter is coming, you can try all kinds of recipes. Try something new this year to impress your family and friends. I hope this method will work for you and you will enjoy making hard-boiled eggs. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes and I will see you next time. Bye.